Wednesday morning, and I'm cutting up the 2000 line out of state, I guess, Lions, I guess it could be. It's hard to know, really. It's not like we're in a town. Yeah, so, it's funny, you know, I've been running shovel, you can see out there, I got a change in the color of the scenery here. So it went from fire season to first snow in a week. Generally, you know, I'll be cutting and it'll be dry, and then you get a little bit of moisture, a little bit more moisture. Next thing you know, it's starting to rain right along, and the ground changes. Well, this year it's like I went from dust and blowing out my machine to running shovel for a week, and now I'm back to it here. So the transition was fairly abrupt, and it definitely takes a little getting used to. You know, by the end of the summer, everything is really dry. Traction is awesome. So I'm getting readjusted to not being able to climb a wall. Yeah, so this unit, we're cutting for another contractor, a little contract piece. It's kind of interesting. They've got a buncher that does work for them. I've never met him, but I've heard of him. And, yeah, so anyhow, it's always interesting to work around somebody else's work. Yeah, so it looks like the snow is kind of let up. It's funny, you know, I mean, I was looking around at the weather last night, because I heard that they were calling for some snow. Yeah, it's fairly early. I mean, we get snow here, but it's not common, really. It's not like we really get winter like I've been used to other times. Anyhow, being an old geezer, I mean, I can remember it's like, you know, I mean, growing up in New England, I mean, if there was a snow day, man, it was like, I meant that, like, you had to harness up the, you know, the Huskies, crank out the dog sled, you know. Nowadays, holy mackerel, you know, it's like a snowflake. People think it's the end of the world. But I don't know whether it'll happen or not, you know. I was watching some on the weather saying that the weather pattern that's going on is kind of unusual. Sounds like maybe other parts of the country are going to get kind of hammered, maybe, I don't know. property line here. Got some beautiful timber across the line. It's funny though, they thinned it. And, I mean, it sure looks nice. It's kind of a tree museum, I'd say. So I've been so far. This unit has been a little bit difficult. It's not real high elevation, fortunately, or we'd have a couple inches on the ground. But it's kind of broke up. It's kind of mountainous country. It's a big drainage, and so there's a lot of small creeks. So the first couple little blocks I was doing were kind of small and a little bit difficult, a lot of opening up and not a whole lot of cutting. So I finished that up yesterday morning, and got down on this lower road. And this is the second block on this piece above the lower spur. It's pretty nice cutting. One's a little smaller than what it was. Actually runs kind of heavy to hemlock, but I like it. Good bunch of wood. It's such a pleasure to be back in my machine. I just love this puncher. It's a true thing of woodcutting beauty. Off there in the distance below that reef rod that's snow covered, there's a road that comes onto this ownership, and so that was kind of nice. I was able to use that to open this block up. I walked it last night, and got myself a road flagged up in here. So the road comes in from the tree line there on the right. Goes off to the left. That's a little yarder land in there, right there at where my cutting stuff. So I ended up throwing, I had to throw 2 bundles back kind of parallel to the road. Able to ease down in that little hole right in front of us and throw it back towards the road, keep it out of the road. That's just a dirt spur. I guess I didn't really have to keep it open, but never can tell, so I did. That's a tree from my road that I flagged up in here. I'm funny, I will go to like great lengths not to cut anything. Kind of, my roads often kind of wiggle around a little bit. I'd rather drive around a little bit and not have to cut a tree than cut it. Just get myself out in the back, start cutting, not have to worry about it. You know, one trick though, I mean, you generally, you gotta, if you're in a nice stand of timber, you gotta cut a tree or 2. So that's another thing about walking a piece. You know, you walk it, figure out where you're gonna start, flag an easy trail in, and get to that corner, and by doing that, getting to where you're gonna start, then you have a good sense of lead and how the wood's going to flow. So when you come in, whether it's right after you get done flagging or the next morning, as it was the case for me on this one, when you cut your road in, you know where you know approximately what your lead's going to be, and so that means that the trees, the occasional tree that you have to put on the ground, you can put it in lead. Just like that hemlock I just pulled by the tip out, that was an example of that. Since it was in lead, I was, cutting my way along. I'm cutting, more or less perpendicular to how I laid that tree down. So when I get back to that top sticking out, I can just grab it by the top, throw it out, add it to a bundle, or start a bundle with it. That's a pretty good trick. Always looking for tricks. Because getting started is, I would say it's the most difficult part of, I think I've said that before. I think it's the most difficult part of running buncher, the way things are now, with increasing regulation and whatnot, that increases that, the amount that you have to open blocks up because they're smaller, working around more obstacles, be it buffers or boundaries or tips, WMAs or MEZs, all kinds of good stuff. So getting catty with getting opened up, really, I feel like it really increases my production. So I think, that, once again, walking a unit, all that goes along with it, whether you're flagging yourself a good trail to get in, knowing the ground, knowing where your lead's going to go, how it's going to go, how's it going to run. All those things, I think they're just really important. It's time well spent. And pretty much as I'm working this face that I've kind of established here, it's running like this. The road is basically perfect, you know, to my left. And, so I'm going to cut up along this line here. The wood's going to kind of start quartering back more to my right. And I've got another, I've got a draw coming up. You can see it kind of drops down there. And, so I'll actually, I'll turn around, get finals down the hill. That's fairly steep. I'll back down that. Cut the other side of it last night. Yeah. So it moderates off to in here somewhere, and I hope at that point I'll be able to run one lead. But but basically the spine of the unit runs something like this. So I think what I'll do, there's a couple wet areas down low on this. Once I turn around, I'll probably pull this up to the spine and then turn around and cut the rest of this. So I can't just go back and forth because the stuff I got to deal with. Yeah. This is beautiful wood. It's, like I said, it's a little bit small, but not really. It's got good height, beautiful form. There's a little hemlock in there. But it's just nothing. I like cutting nice wood. I mean, it just cuts so nice. I'm on my second face on this set of teeth. I did hit a rock a little bit yesterday. But it's still cutting good. I think I got 60 hours or something on that set. Or that face, that is. So, anyhow, it's cutting good. But this fur just cuts so nicely. It's just, so I got some pretty good ground, some pretty good wood. Singing Christmas carols here. Away we go. Hope you find it interesting. As always, thanks for watching. Get